Welcome to Acqua Noir, a masterpiece of beachfront living that sets a new standard for luxury and sophistication. Nestled on Shorebird Park in Greenhills Beach, this residence epitomizes rare accomplishment and the highest degree of expertise. Inspired by the breathtaking panorama from Kurnell to Bundeena, Acqua Noir seamlessly blends fluidity with contemporary design. Sliding glass panels in the casual living space effortlessly create access to the wraparound resort pool, while a double-height void in the formal space showcases the sky and sea through 6-meter high glazing. Step inside to discover bespoke bedroom suites, including a breathtaking master retreat and an expansive 110 square meter rooftop terrace offering panoramic views of the coastline. The residence boasts a wine room, a 12-seat cinema for gold-class comfort, and a gym complete with a sauna and steam room. Acqua Noir is a testament to mastery of material form, reminiscent of luxury brand stores. Imported Italian double-glazed floor-to-ceiling panels flood the interiors with natural light, while custom Calicata marble decks and vanities exude opulence and sophistication. Indulge your culinary passions in the Bruno Perla Chef's Kitchen and Butler's Kitchen. Acqua Noir is more than just a residence, it's a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, where every detail has been meticulously curated to create a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and indulgence. Don't miss your chance to experience the ultimate beachfront retreat at Acqua Noir.